Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can merge or blend two images together using AI in Canva. So there is a new feature in Canva that allows you to essentially put one object or one picture on top of another, and then you can kind of blend them together nicely. So it's almost like that picture belongs to the other picture. So in this example, I do have this picture of a field, and there is this tractor. And this is definitely a different from a different picture. If you zoom in, you can see that the wheels are kind of not touching. There is no shadow, there is no grass. So it's very easy to tell that this is not a part of the picture. But we can use AI to make this image to appear like it is part of the picture. It is normal, it looks natural. So what you need to do is, first you have to select two images. So you can press and hold the shift key on your keyboard, and then I'm going to I'm going to click on this tractor, and then I'm going to click on this background image. And after that, you want to click edit, and you want to click blend. So this is new feature. As you can see, this is the demo that they gave to us. It allows you to put an object to a different picture. And after that, click blend images, and you just need to wait until the AI will provide with some results that you could apply to your design. So this process will usually take anywhere between 20 to 60 seconds, but yeah, sometimes the results are not good, sometimes they are good. So that's why they gave you 4 different options, so you can decide which one is going to look better. So this is the first result. This is the second result. I think it looks slightly better. You can see that there is a grass is kind of touching the wheel. It's very clear. The colors also look more natural now. There's also this option. I think either this or this, they look very similar, equally better. I guess I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, I'm going to choose this picture, and I'm going to click done. Oh, by the way, you can click generate new result if you're not happy with what they give you right now. After that, you can click done, and we got this picture. Now they're essentially one picture. So the previous 2 pictures are merged into one, and this is the result. So that is exactly how you can blend 2 images together in Canva. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will really help me out, and I'll see you in the next video.